make a conversation. Written part, I'm talking on written part. So there are three questions. There are three questions I'm going to give. First question is write up. That means you are going to write the answer for that question. That question will be like group discussion related to importance of phonetics or any other we will ask you the some related theoretical background of the lab topics. That first question, that will be 10 marks. Second question is uh, phonetics. I Today I shared the phonetic transcription and orthography. Did you see, students, the transcription which I shared today in your WhatsApp group? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think there are more than 50 transcriptions mentioned in that notes. So you have to practice that whatever I shared, English words and phonetic transcription. That is what phonetic transcription. Vice versa. So five questions come from the English word we will give. You have to transcribe into phonetic symbols. With phonetic symbols, you have to write. We will give five English words. You have to convert into phonetic transcription. This is what first five. Second question. Same in second question B. I'll ask phonetic transcription, which are symbols of phonetic words we will give. You have to write in English words. I think you understand. Five questions, English words, you have to convert into phonetic symbols. So B, in second question, I will give five phonetic symbols with words. You have to write the word, English word. This is what question number 2. So 5, 5, these also 10 marks. So first question 10 marks. That is any question like group discussion, conversation, whatever related some theoretical topics of our labs which we discussed. Okay. Second, you understand which one, A and B, phonetic transcription, vice versa. Third one, just a minute. So students, I will share just a minute topics, uh, 1 to 30. So there are 30 topics. I think you have, when you attended labs through online, I shared the just a minute topics, more than 30 topics. Have you seen the topics, just a minute topics, students?
No, sir. I think you didn't share the topic, sir. Just
Okay,
you
fine.
the group discussions, presentations, those, sir.
Right. No
Jam,
problem. So,
still you didn't share
oh,
some jam.
okay, okay, no problem. But uh, I will share the. No, no. Tell me in the lab external. Shall we go for group discussion or just a minute? That is your choice. I didn't teach the just a minute jam session.
No, sir.
Did we discuss or not? I think
No, sir. Only group
no.
discussion has been discussed in our class, sir. That too in online mode, sir.
Okay, 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 okay.
Just
Don't worry.
the presentation skills and the conversation skills, I think so, sir. Uh, we have done it in offline.
Right, right. So I will conduct group discussion. That is activity. Third question is group discussion. So this third question You are going to participate in GD. Each group, so you are totally 60 students, right? So each group, 10 students will be participate for the GD. So we will conduct the GD. The GD topics. I will share. I think already I shared the topics. Did you see the topics of GD? When I taught that time, I shared in Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
If not, yes. If not, I will share once again in WhatsApp group. Better, you can everyone can access sometime because you have day after tomorrow your lab external. So for lab external, third question is group discussion. The group discussion, you are going to participate each group according to your roll number 1 to, I mean, you are 61, right? 61 to 70, 71 to 80, like that. So, topic, I will give the time of group discussion. I will not reveal now, but I will share the list of the topics out of the top. I mean, whatever the topics I am sharing, from that you may get one topic. So I'm going to divide six groups. So the topics may be like I think 10 to 15. I'll check how many topics are there. So obviously you have to select from the list of the topics. Then we can proceed for the GD. So that GD we will conduct for 10 to 15 minutes. I gave what are the tips and what are the procedures to start a GD. One should take initiative to start the discussion, and first round it should go for continuous one round, means rule number 61, 62, 63, it moves like continuously. Second round, whoever ready to talk, whoever ready to give their opinions, ideas related to the topic, you can. Those who gives more information on the topic lively, individual performance, individually we will give the marks. This is what your task. So students, I will share the GD topics, GD notes. That is what we prepared the PPT. I will share to you just to go through the GD. But 61 to 70, you are one group. Next 71 to 80, like that. So you are going to take only that topics will be only six. But I'll share maybe 10 or 15 topics. So we will see, but you just get the idea about topics, basic information. Go through that. All the topics I think you more familiar. Uh, then this is what the procedure of GD. But in the written part, you may get the question. Whatever the activity you are going to do, which I said GD. So you need to write in main answer sheet for the third question. You have to give first the question title, group discussion. You are going to write question number 3, group discussion. You must give the title of the GD. For example, your title is like in GD, online classes versus offline classes. For example, if I give the topic, so whatever you you gave in the GD in the discussion, you have to summarize in the main answer sheet. Okay, in the main answer sheet which you are going to write the answer for the third question, you are going to write your summary on the topic. Are you clear, dear students? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So third one is GD for 10 marks. Uh, Phonetic transcription orthography 10 marks. And write up first question is 10 marks. Total 30 marks. Next, Viva. So as you know that external asks you the Viva questions, but whatever I shared, Viva was questions, some PDF notes. I think you know that up to 40 questions. Have you seen that? Viva important questions. The PDF. Did you have students that in your WhatsApp group?
Sir, once
Yeah,
again, you share in WhatsApp, sir.
tell me. Tell me, ma. Hello. You
Sir,
go
once
through.
again, you share in WhatsApp, sir. All the
Okay, okay,
GD
okay.
topics and the
Right,
top.
right. I will do it. I will do it. So I will share the Viva questions. More than 40 questions are there. I think you have written from the Viva questions. There are how many? Your 6 to 7 questions you have written in internal. So that PDF once again I will share in WhatsApp group. So you have to thorough the PDF, whatever the questions and answers mentioned. You read. That is enough for your Viva to answer. And yes, 15 marks for Viva and 5 marks for record. So you did not submit so far your records. Today a few students submitted. Already I corrected and I kept on my table. So you come on the day early, a little, just a bit early. That will be good for correcting your records and having some time if you have any doubts and to settle it down in our lab and all. Better you, I think you all coming by your own transport. If you reach by 9:10, before 9:15, 9 to 9:15, that will be good. And sharply I will start by quarter to 10 or before 10. Okay, so our exam will be start at 10 exactly, but before I'll go through your records, or if you have any doubts and regarding that, we will do it. So this is what pattern. And one thing, you should submit your internal marks, sorry, internal papers. So which I said to write the internal questions. I think you all completed because I've seen uploaded in Google Classroom, even allotted marks also. But you should submit. You should submit by on the day. On the day. So we have lab assistant, our Mr. Abraham sir will collect your lab internal papers, but you maintain discipline. Don't make disturb in the on the day, please. Should cooperate. And if you have any questions, any regarding any doubts for the lab external, you can ask. But everyone should bring records is mandatory. And also internal answers, whatever you have written, you should submit on the day. This is two are important, and rest of the things will move according to that session. Yes,
Sir,
if you have any.
some of us we
Yeah.
kept there, sir, near your in your cabin today.
Yes, I have seen. Yes, I have seen. No, 3 students submitted today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, internal papers also I have seen. Yes, I know. I noted your numbers also. Okay. Any more doubts, students? You can ask. Don't panic for your exam. Just go through your notes and material, whatever I shared. Now I will share again Viva questions PDF and group discussion notes with topics. Okay, so your batch will be 61 to 70, 71 to 80, like that. Six batches I will divide on the day for the activity, and you have to write in main answer sheet your GD topic and what you spoke, what you gave your opinion. Just you make the summary of your GD topic. That's it. Is any questions, students? You can ask. One more, students, please you finish the students' opinion polls also. That's very important. Your class teacher Narendra sir asked me, is your Narendra sir is your class teacher, right? Hello, students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please you complete your students' opinion polls also. Did you receive all the students that link messages? Yes or no?
Sir, some of them said that they didn't receive, sir.
Message link student opinion polls link ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So once again, I'll talk to your class teacher Narendra sir, right? Your class teacher,
Yes, sir.
right? Right. I'll talk to sir tomorrow. Whoever received, please let you finish it as well as possible, because this is what in academic they will move and complete their task also. Okay, students, please ask me if you have any doubts regarding lab external. That's it, ma. CR is there? Is there CR?
No, sir. Actually, he is in traveling, sir.
Oh, I think yeah, you told me he's
Yes,
so
sir.
far.
After
Yes, yes.
extension.
Yeah. Please you inform and convey the information which we discussed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please you tell them. Don't worry about your exam and all. Just but you go through the notes and everything, whatever I shared, and just go through the notes and Google Classroom, whatever the material I uploaded. Okay, na? So thank you, students. It's better to start because tomorrow you don't have any external exams, right? Uh, Even I shared the dates also for the topics. You know, in the content page, you should write the dates. Each date you write for two topics. Have you seen? I shared the dates in your WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Please write. I mentioned the six or five dates. Just the date beside two dates for one date for two topics. You just write and don't keep empty in the dates column. And in the title topic, as you know, already continued 10 topics and the last one PPT. And PPT, just you write the title of your PPT and write the introduction, conclusion. Two slides is enough for PPT writing in your record. Already you uploaded complete your PPT. I mean, whatever you prepared. No need to write all the PPTs in your record. Just write first page, that is introduction, and last conclusion. That's enough. Are you clear?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we feel this jam will be better to conduct because in group discussion, relative performance will be getting more marks, no, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Generally, we are conducting all the whatever the session so far completed, just a minute conducting. But you people saying, I thought we discussed the just a minute also. I think if you
No, sir.
huh?
No, sir. About
We
What
jam,
you?
didn't.
not
Yes.
explain, sir.
Okay. So you want to conduct only GD?
We
Yes.
didn't discuss, but it was like same paragraph writing, right, sir? So we
Yeah.
can.
Yeah, the difference is, yeah, I think if we conduct a jam, individually what they feel they know about the topic thoroughly, and they will comfort in the topic and they can speak for minutes. Of course, we will get
Without
you.
any, sir, without any gap, we should speak for a minute now, sir.
Of course, continuously. Yes, for a minute you have to speak on
But
the
in group discussion,
time.
like
At
overall
least
group,
two. Yeah, first round will be getting each and every participant. Second round based on your own performance. I mean, how you speak on the topic, what data you have. I mean, information you have. You have to expose. You have to speak that. So that is your choice. I feel if we conduct a jam, that will be good. The topics also very simple. I think if you prepare that list of the topic, so what you say, you will you decide by today or tomorrow morning. I will conduct either GD or JAM. Choice is yours, because due to some lack of time, and we did not even cover all the topics, but one should be conduct either JAM or GD. Choice is yours. Decide and tell me. But my opinion, if you perform JAM, that will be uniform to each and every participant what they have fluency and command over the topic they can. When you come to GD, you need more preparation and coming with ideas. You need to practice, but that topic also disclose. I will not give now. I will give the time of when you are in lab,
Sir,
that you
is there
decide.
any list for jam, sir? In questions.
Yeah, for jam, I will give 1 to 30. There are 30 jam topics. So 61 to 90 continuous topics. As per your rule number, you have to select. Rule number 61, first topic. Rule number 62, second topic. Like 30 topics we prepared. You have to go through that according to your rule number, according to the list of the topics. 91 again, topic number 1. This is what the procedure we prepared. So far all the sections are doing. So if you go through that, that is the procedure.
Sir, for
Hello.
91 to 120, morning session or afternoon session, sir, we have to come?
I will conduct all the students in the morning only.
Morning only, sir.
Morning
So
only.
we have to come by morning session only, sir.
Yes, yes. You should come at 9:30 in
Okay.
time. Before you all, I will conduct all 60 in the morning. Exactly, it will be start at 10 o'clock. Before 10, it should be there. Okay. So for all 60 students, I am going to conduct a write-up written part at 10 o'clock. So after completion of the written part, we will start the activity. So 30 students will sit other lab. We have two labs now, and 30 students is other side. So for 30 students, Tanushree ma'am will conduct the activity. 30 students myself, I will conduct the activity. Right? Only you are going to write written part for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, you are going to finish three questions. Number one question, as I said, write up whatever the question, you have to write the answer. Just out of whatever the 40 topics, I will ask one question. Second, as I said, I shared today morning also that phonetic words and transcriptions, vice versa, 5 question. Number third question is GD or JAM. That is, I think better, my dear students, go for JAM session. Okay. I will share the JAM topics and notes. So you stick on your number. If you are 65, your number, you go for topic 5, like that. Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to write in exam jam about now what we have given, sir. Means
Yes,
you told 65 fifth activity, na sir. So we have to write that
yes,
activity in exam only, sir.
yes. In the exam, in main answer sheet also, what you have the topic, you have to write a paragraph on the charm topic. Okay, you have to write because we have to give the marks also there. Even activity also you will get activity for 5 marks, written part is 5 marks, both are 5 5 10 marks. Okay, activity 5, written part 5 10 marks, so that you will get division of the marks. Are you clear? So finally you go for just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Jam only,
Okay.
sir.
Right, right. You convey, dear CR, you convey to your friends and inform this information, those who
Sir,
did
tell
not attend.
first question about what, sir? Second, phonetics. Third, and jam. What about first question, sir?
First questions related to phonetics, group discussion, situational conversation. uh, it may come from the phonetics, like importance of the phonetics and how it helps phonetics in your career. General questions you may expect. For example, first question we may ask you, do's and don'ts of group discussion. So how group discussion helps in your career, like that. It's, first question we may ask you that importance of English lab for the engineering students. How you have to justify, like general questions related to your topics only we ask, but you cannot imagine direct questions from the lab topics, right? General question from your topics only. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. Girls or boys?
From those 10 topics, what we wrote, sir?
Which one?
Those 10 topics which we have written in the record.
Record 10th one. What is the 10th topic?
Presentation skills.
Yeah, presentation skills you just write, which you prepared the PPT, you write the topic and write first slide of your PPT. For example, you have given in your PPT introduction on your topic. Write first slide and
Like in theory,
conclusion.
sir, you are saying in theory how we should write.
No, just write lines. No need to write theory. Just have you mentioned in PPT, right? As it is, you copy.
No, sir, in exam. Day
Exam.
after tomorrow's exam, sir.
Yeah, day after tomorrow, we are not going to touch any PPT.
Okay.
No, we are going to ask
Sir,
some.
he is telling
Suppose.
that we have done 10 activities, na sir. From that
Okay.
only we will get questions. That first question is there, na sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, exactly.
General topic is there, na sir. First question.
Yes, yes. First
That
question.
will come from these 10 activities only.
Yes, yes. From the 10 activities only, we will ask general question for first question. Okay.
Sir, how to write exercise for presentation, sir? 15th activity.
I told you no. In record, you are asking me to write in record.
Yes, sir.
Write the title of your PPT. Write first slide of your PPT. Then write conclusion of your PPT.
Okay,
Enough.
sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Right.
we
we have
submitted, sir.
written.
We don't have records, sir. We three of us.
Okay. Okay. So you submitted, no? You did not complete all the activities.
We completed, sir. You said like before you didn't instruct us, sir, about presentation.
It's
So
okay.
we wrote
Okay.
all the
Okay.
other activities, sir.
Yeah, you
Sir,
write
we
just
have written exercise for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only one exercise, sir.
oh yeah, yeah. That's I know. I know. All are related to conversation. Yes,
No, we
it's
have
okay.
written only one exercise, sir. For 3, 4,
Fine.
5, 6, 7.
Yeah, these all related to one only. Yes, yes. Okay, no
And for
problem.
second,
Eighth
we wrote
activity,
one,
we
and
don't
for
know, sir,
third,
what
we
we have
wrote
to
one.
do.
Tenth activity.
Eighth, sir.
It's okay. Whatever you have copied from the lab manual, that's enough. Okay. Any questions? Hello, students.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Clear, ma? Right.
Sir,
So
after
thank you.
completion of 30 minutes, we have to do activity on what basis, sir?
Activity on just a minute. I told you no. Whatever
Yes,
you
sir.
selected based on your number. What is your number?
119, sir. It means
119.
29th activity. 29th, sir.
29. Yes, 29 topic you have to prepare. I will share the topics now. Just a minute topics. 30 topics. Okay. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. See you day after tomorrow. Don't worry. If you have any doubts, just text me through WhatsApp. I'll try to give the answers. Right. Thank you. Shall I stop, ma?
Yes, sir.
Girls, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. See you. Thank you.